Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am back in my old bedroom. Don't ask why, so much has been going on in my life. It's been a long couple of weeks, but I'm back with a clothing haul this time. My first one for the fall season. I feel like I'm gonna do a couple because I feel the shopper coming out in me. So I actually got some clothes from PrettyLittleThing and also Missguided. Just a quick mention, I ordered these clothes about a week and a half ago, I think, and so much is out of stock already. You guys know I always try and link everything down below. If I can't find a link, I'll link an alternative, and if there is no alternative, then I'm sorry, but things get out of stock so quick. So I will try and find some kind of alternative, and if there isn't one, then I'm so sorry. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Hopefully you guys can find most of the links to what I got down below. Missguided, I have a 20% off code, which is Leyla20. So you get 20% off the whole store. I believe that excludes sale items, outlet, and a couple of other things as well. So it's mainly site-wide, 20% off. So Leyla20. If you want 20% off Missguided. So let's start off with PrettyLittleThing. So the first thing we may as well talk about is this t-shirt that I am wearing right now. Whenever I've seen Japanese or Chinese writing or anything that is not of the language that I know how to speak, I feel so uncultured because this could literally say anything and I have no idea. So if anyone knows what this says, let me know down in the comments. But this is the first one. I bought so many oversized t-shirts, and that's just because, I don't know, they've just been what I've loved for, I guess, a long time, but I just feel like as the years go on, I just get more and more oversized. I really love wearing oversized clothing. I just feel like it's so easy. Most of the things are casual. You know me, I'm a casual queen. I love wearing casual clothing. It's got this print on the front of it and I really like it. It's like super simple. Next, I have this cropped sweatshirt from PrettyLittleThing. Nice khaki color, and I just thought the sun would come out now, wouldn't it? It doesn't come out any other time, but it will come out now. Oh, sunshine, you do play me so. I have so many of these cropped sweaters from PrettyLittleThing, and I got it in this khaki shade because it's just a really nice fit. I got this in a small, and it's kind of like an oversized box fit cropped jumper. Do these in so many different colors, and I just think this khaki shade is really nice for this time of year, so I picked this up. This is so easy to style because it's very basic, and yeah, I just love this, and I love these in all the colors, and because they do them in so many, it's just so easy to style. Like, you can get this in every color and just style it however you want, which I love. I have this, which is so interesting. I don't even know what this is named on the site, but this is basically like a zip up cropped jumper, and it has an elasticated bottom, which the way I kind of styled it was to turn it up, and it kind of fits a little bit like almost ruched out, a little bit, like a little bit puffy, and I think that looks so nice. It has this zip up, it's quite oversized, and it just looks really cool. It just doesn't look like any other kind of clothing item that I have. The collar is really nice because obviously you can have it all the way up if you wanted to, like a little bit more like that polar effect, or you can have the zip down, which is the way that I would style this. Something very different, and I hadn't seen anything like this before, and I definitely don't own anything like this. So I got more oversized t-shirts, the first one being this tan color, and I got this in a size medium just because a small oversized t-shirt is not enough for me. I really like my oversized stuff to be really oversized. Personally, I feel like these oversized t-shirts are just really easy to wear for casual. I mean, again, like I said, guys, casual queen is me. I just love being casual, you know? Also got it in this really nice, like, washed out purple color. I don't own anything to this kind of color, and I just saw this and I was like, yes, I need that in my life. The way that I personally style oversized t-shirts is with leggings. Personally, I know a lot of people wear like cycling shorts, and some people wear just like really oversized t-shirts as a dress, but personally I like wearing them with leggings. Also got this t-shirt, which is brighter than anything in my life, brighter than my future, brighter than everything, and it says overdressed, which is kind of funny for me because it's like I'm never overdressed. I'm always like the casual one. I've said that so many times, but I really am always the casual one. So for me this was funny because it's like I'm definitely not overdressed right now, but I really like the color. I think yellow is just such a nice color. Next, I have two hoodies. I think this Toronto one may be out of stock, which I'm so upset about, but it's this black oversized hoodie, which is so comfortable, and it says Toronto on it. There are loads of hoodies like this though, different like states or different cities on it, so they're not like hard to come by, but I really like the sizing of this one. I actually got this in a medium, and it's like a jumper dress on me. and it's just so comfy. This hoodie is everything. So it's got this kind of like Renaissance style art on it, but I really love that it's just in a square. I just think that's so cool. And then on the back it says living in this like really, again, just like generic kind of font, but to me it was just really cool, and I saw it and I was like, I really want this. It's on a grey hoodie, and I got this in a medium too, I think. Yeah, look at me. I've been buying everything so oversized lately. I've come to the realization that there's no bottoms of any kind, like no jeans, nothing for the bottom half of the body in this whole haul. And now we're moving on to Missguided, and I got so many items off Missguided and so many of them aren't in stock. I'm so upset. Like, I still want to show you guys just so you guys can get inspiration for the full time. And Missguided really do kill it with the clothing. This jumper, I'm so sad that this isn't in stock anymore, but I picked this up. It's like a cropped jumper, and it's got this pink and this like rusty orange shade on it, and obviously this is so full. I will definitely be wearing this. I'm so mad that it's not in stock anymore, so I can't link it for you guys, but I have left some alternatives down below so you guys can check out something else that's kind of similar. The quality of their jumpers are really nice as well, and they're very soft. I've only got 2 jumpers in this haul, and I want to buy more, so there'll definitely be more hauls to come, and we will definitely have more that will be in stock, and I'm going to do the haul as soon as I buy the clothes. This jumper, which is also out of stock, cropped mustard jumper. Now this is very like not the kind of thing that I would usually wear, but when I picked this up and I tried it on, I was like, oh my gosh, like I need to try wearing this kind of stuff more. So again, I'm going to be buying lots more stuff like this. I'm going to try and share it with you guys also on Instagram as well, on my stories. My Instagram name is just Leyla now, so go and follow me on Instagram and keep an eye on my stories. The lighting is really playing me today. If I just look like I'm fading into the background, or if I get really dark really fast, it's just because the sun is the most. I also picked up this velour oversized t-shirt, and this kind of is like a dress on me, I'm not gonna lie. And then I also got it in this camel tan shade. Again, like these are so nice to style just like the other oversized t-shirts, but because they're velour, it just adds a little bit something different into it. And I think these come in other colors as well on the website. Like they've got it in like a really pretty gray shade. They've got a few new fall colors as well, so definitely check that out on the website. This is basically an oversized t-shirt haul. Like, I'm not even mad, but yeah. Next, I got this grey oversized t-shirt as well. What I really love about so many of these oversized t-shirts is that the arms are really long. Honestly, oversized t-shirts are so easy to style. Next, another oversized t-shirt. This one's in a really pretty color. It says Livion Rose on it. I'm definitely mispronouncing it because I failed French. It's an orange, but it's a really pale orange, so it almost looks a little bit like a salmon, and just this color is stunning. What I really like about this is just a different shade of orange. It's just got that salmon tone to it, and I love it. And of course the print on the front is so pretty, and it just makes it a little bit different to the other oversized t-shirts that I have, because it's a different color and also is got a nice print on the front of it. I also picked up 2 cropped t-shirts, the first one being this one right here. Can I just say, bear in mind, these are in a size medium for me and they are still tiny, so I would say go a size up in this. The first one is in this really nice like stone tan color, and it's got this really cool design with a dragon on the front of it. I love this. And then I also picked up the black version with a red design on it, and again, this is very me. It's a different design, but it's like along the same kind of vibe. Every single time I have a haul, there's like a different obsession. Do you remember that one time where I was obsessed with camo and I had like 17 camo items or something? If you guys follow my hauls, you know what I mean. Every single time it's like I have a mission on every haul. So like today's mission was clearly oversized t-shirts. I've got a camo hoodie, and this one is cropped. I really like this. It just feels really easy to wear. What I really like about this is that the sleeves are kind of ruched when it comes, is that the right word? I don't know if that is the right word. It kind of gathers in when it comes to the sleeve, so they're a little bit of that kind of puffy effect. They're not too over the top though, which I really like. So yeah, I really like this. Camo is always a good idea, and in a cropped hoodie form, love it. Next, I have this jacket, and guys, this is the most fall autumn jacket I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, have you seen anything that looked more like a season before? I don't think so. So this is amazing. I really love this. This is probably like my favorite purchase out of everything. I love this. It's a really nice material. It's definitely thick. It doesn't feel too much like you're gonna get really hot in it, but it does still feel like it's gonna keep you warm, which I love. So definitely something that you can layer up underneath of. The actual detailing is gold, which is perfect because I wear gold most of the time, and it's hard to find that on jackets, I find. It is kind of cropped though, just bear that in mind. So it's not a long jacket. It's like rusty burgundy orange color is so perfect for this time of year. Like, I honestly can't think of anything more perfect for this season, to be honest. I also got this chain duo. It's basically both of these, so not including this one. And I got that from PrettyLittleThing as well. I forgot to mention that, but I'll link it down below too. I always forget to mention jewelry and just anything else that I buy. So guys, that was long. Terribly sorry for all the pieces that are out of stock, but hopefully you guys can find alternatives and just get general inspiration from this haul. There were a couple of other pieces that I really wanted to talk about, but I think they're definitely out of stock and there's no alternatives. So still a lot of clothing that we went through. If you guys love clothing hauls, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments as well where I should be shopping. I really want to find new clothing stores that I can shop at. And yeah, just thumbs up for more autumn and fall and winter hauls too, because I just feel like we're getting into that time where the whole wardrobe changes. Don't forget to check the links down below and also use the code Leyla20 on Missguided if you want to get 20% off. And I think that's all I have to say. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye. Mwah. Oh my gosh, that was stressful. Okay, son, you can come out now.